So I was talking to a DJ the other day who said to me, I have my client worried that his dad is going to do a really inappropriate speech. Or I had another one that said, the best man is a big drinker and he's worried that his best man and brother is going to get really, really hammered at the wedding, and he's not sure what to do about that. Or my uncle is going to do something that he does at all these other weddings, and I hate that. I don't know what I'm going to do. And then the DJ calls me and he says, I don't know what I'm supposed to do about that. I mean, really, what am I supposed to do about that? It's not my responsibility, is it? Okay. Answer to that question is, you're right. It's not your responsibility. Hi, this is Bill at Creative License. Thanks for being a part of the Dog and Pony Show. If you want to know about all the sponsors, go to all the comments below, because those men and women make it so that I can do this on a regular basis, and these are products and people that I believe in. So I'd love it if you're nice to them, reach out to them, tell them you've heard the show, and take care of them because you like this. Okay, so no, like I said, the easy answer is no, you're not responsible. Okay, it's not your party, and if something happens, you could certainly be just amused by the fact that that dad did something inappropriate at the wedding. Or you can advise them. I mean, you've been to enough weddings. You've seen the inappropriate speech. You've seen the really drunk brother. You know how this can happen, okay? You can, first of all, tell your client how that's going to work and what to look out for, and that it's really probably not as bad as they think it is. Or how about this? I tell them that if they take the time to go and talk to, not on the day of the wedding, but talk to their dad weeks before the wedding. Hey, Dad, I'm really looking forward to the wedding. I'm looking forward to having you there. But you know, it's me and my new wife and all of her family. And I know you like doing this funny poem. You do it every wedding. But can you do me a favor? We've talked about it, and we would rather you don't do that. Now, what that is a preemptive conversation to be sure that your client gets what they want. Gets to be sure that the dad gives his son what he wants. I mean, Dad thinks he's being cool. Dad thinks he's being fun and funny and thinks that, hey, I've done it at every one. You're going to love it if I do it at mine, right? So, no, he doesn't know that you'd rather not. And if you're not going to have a preemptive conversation about whether or not you want this or not, then you just have to deal with it on the day of the wedding. And dealing with it on the day of the wedding means now you don't know what's going to happen. Dad will hear from his son that he'd rather him not. Dad's going to be like, I love you, man. It's your wedding. I want you to have what you want. Of course I won't do that. Or your best friend who drinks too much. And you say, hey, man, can you do me a favor and just be cool. You and I will go out for the bachelor party. We'll have a good time. Or afterwards, man, I'll buy you a six-pack. But on the wedding day, man, this is not just us hanging out in the garage. This isn't just us storming around town doing the bars. This is my wife and her family. Could you do me a favor? Just kind of be cool that night, and your best man and your friend is going to go, wow, yes, I love you. It's your wedding. I'm going to give you exactly what you want. But you assume that they might, and then you worry about what might happen. You worry, and you have a terrible day because you're worried that it's going to happen. So if it does, it's even worse. If it doesn't, you had a bad day, and it didn't. So this is about getting ahead of it, okay? Being honest and straight with the people you care about to be sure that they can give you exactly what you want on your wedding day, because they're not dumb. Dad knows he's inappropriate, and best friend knows he's a drinker and he likes to party. And if he thinks that you'd like that because he's done that with you, give him a chance to give you what you want. And then be honest with them, and trust me, they always appreciate it. And if somebody like that, somebody who's that close, does not appreciate it and doesn't like it, then you might have to rethink your relationship with them anyway. Now, don't you think? Now, what I just told you is kind of what I tell another couple, okay? And I'm not afraid to tell them that. If you think what I'm telling you is true, then why would you leave this information out? If they need to know, you're the expert, you should let them know. What do you think of this? Okay, write your comments below, send me a note, tell me I don't know what I'm talking about, tell me how you've handled it in the past. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This is Bill, Creative License, and I will see you next week. Bye.